Today let's dive into another exciting opportunity. In this video, I'll walk you through how to crack the data analyst role at Badho, a growing company at the forefront of retail optimization. Let's know more about the company. Badho is an innovative tech company revolutionizing the retail space. Based in India, Badho's platform is designed to optimize the sales and purchase funnels while simplifying complex retail processes, turning everyday sales and purchase calls into intuitive, screen-based swipes. In an industry where speed and efficiency are key, Badho is driving smarter, scalable solutions that help businesses thrive in an ever-evolving market. As they expand their team, Badho is creating exciting opportunities for professionals passionate about data and technology to join their journey of transforming retail operations. Now let's get a glance about the role. Badho is currently looking for a data analyst to join their expanding team in Gurgaon. This is a full-time role and the CTC offered is 5 to 6 lakhs per annum. So to be eligible for the data analyst role at Badho, you should have proficiency in SQL. You will need to be comfortable writing advanced SQL queries, including working with joins and subqueries to extract and manipulate data. Also, you should have advanced Excel skills, since data manipulation and reporting are central to this role. Also, you should have an analytical mindset with the ability to spot trends in data and provide actionable insights. Accuracy is crucial in data analysis, so a keen eye for detail will be essential. So now let's know the responsibilities of the job role. As a data analyst at Badho, you will write advanced SQL queries to extract and manipulate data, analyze data to identify trends, provide insights, and make data-driven recommendations. Also, collaborate with teams to understand data needs and generate actionable reports. Help ensure data accuracy and maintain consistency across reporting systems. This is really a great opportunity as the CTC for the data analyst role at Badho ranges from 5 to 6 lakhs per annum, which is above the typical range generally offered for any fresher. Along with the competitive salary, you will get the opportunity to work on high visibility projects, collaborate in dynamic, data-driven team, and grow your career with continuous learning and development. Here are 5 tips to crack this role. Firstly, you have to master SQL. Focus on perfecting your SQL queries, especially joins and subqueries. Start by mastering the basic SQL queries like select and where, etc. Then move to more complex ones, including inner joins, left join, and full join. Practice writing subqueries and nested queries to get used to handling data from multiple tables. My second tip would be Excel proficiency. Be ready to demonstrate your advanced Excel skills, especially in data manipulation and reporting. Analyze a sales dataset by using pivot tables to summarize sales by region, product category, and time period. Use advanced formulas to identify trends, outliers, and key metrics. Learning resource, our websites like ExcelJet or chando.org offers tutorials on advanced Excel functions. My tip number 3 would be build data projects. Showcase your ability to analyze data and present insights using both SQL and Excel. Take publicly available dataset from sites like Kaggle and perform end-to-end analysis starting with data extraction using SQL and cleaning followed by analysis and reporting using Excel. The next tip would be attention to detail. Demonstrate a strong attention to detail in data accuracy and reporting. Practice double-checking your work and validate results. Ensure data to complete is correct and consistent by cross-referencing multiple data sources and validating against business rules. Here's a quick tip. Pay attention to small errors like incorrect decimal places, mismatched categories, or missing data. Also, consider setting up automated checks in Excel or SQL to flag data inconsistencies. Here's the last tip but most important tip, collaborate effectively. Show how you have worked with cross-functional teams to align data needs and drive business results. Start by actively listening to cross-functional teams like marketing, product, and finance to understand their goals and data needs. Ask questions to clarify what insights they need and how they plan to use the data. These are 5 good tips that will take you into this role just by practicing them daily. That's a wrap on how to crack the data analyst role at Badho. If you're passionate about data analysis and want to contribute to optimizing the retail sector with Badho, now is your chance. For more such hiring updates and career guides, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.